Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a free Vbucks generator in Python. So first thing we're going to do is just open up my folder. You're going to want main.py. So now once you've made that, you're just going to want to delete it. So just do that, okay, because Python is shit, don't use it, fuck Python. And then just fucking go into your terminal. Oh wait, fuck, npm init, and just like fucking spam enter. Now make a new file called index.js. Yes, I do. Okay, so now once you've done that, just fucking open whatever. Now I've got this open, okay, it's really good. What the fuck was I gonna do? Const Vbucks equals, fuck that. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just go Fortnite db equals Fortnite. Okay, so now that you have Fortnite, you're just gonna want to basically just fucking change that to let. So now do let Fortnite db equal Vbucks, and then just fuck's sake, console.log Fortnite db. Now just fucking run it, and you have an error, so just fucking give up. Just give up. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it helpful, and yeah. Oh, there you go. It works. Anyway, thank you for watching.